How to show the time and date on HMI. Like this, we have time and we have date. Okay, it's so easy, guys. First of all, you should go to connections. Here we have a HMI connections to PLC, and we have two kind of mode, none and a slave. If you choose none, it means that you have to go on HMI and set the date and time on the HMI, and it's dependent, it's independent, and it's just for HMI. But if I choose slave, it means, hey HMI, go to PLC and read the time, read the date and time. So I choose this one, and we have two options when I choose this. I go to template, and when I want to show the time, I just use this date time field. Just click it and bring it here. If I go to properties, here on general, I have two options, system times, and if I uncheck it, I can say go and check this tag and read the time from this specific tag. So here I put it on system time, and here I have two options. Another option, show date. If I uncheck it, we have just the time and the time. So, and the mode of that, if you put it on output, it just show the time, and if you put it input output, you can change the time. So I put it on, and I put it here on the menu bar. That's it, and you can have your time. Have a good time, and please like the video.